Like that money phone, but like with fabric. Hey guys, my name's Chad, I'm your Tall Tailor, and today we're gonna be doing something a little bit different. We're not gonna be making anything custom today. I know. I am, however, gonna be showing you guys what I usually do during the week, which is, of course, alterations. I mean, tailor is in the name, after all. Alright, so today we got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags, 8 garments. Let's go! Now for tools, I'm going to be using my scissors. This does most of the cutting. Obviously, that's what scissors are for. My seam ripper. My seam ripper is really good for just cutting and undoing seams so I can tailor and alter the garments. These snippers, which are good for finishing work. Good for like cutting those little pieces of thread just to finish up the garment. And optional, a razor blade. I use this mainly for heavy garments like jeans and denim. It just makes cutting the thread a lot easier. Alright, so first up we have these gray cargo pants. They're also lined, so perfect for the winter. And what this person wants on them is they want the bottom hem here to be adjustable. So I went out and I got some elastic cord, got these cord stoppers. So I'm going to just attach these to the pants. And so I added the elastic in both pants and these sliders too, so that you can adjust the length. That's one pants done. Next up we got these Guess jeans, skinny fit, and I'm going to be making a length alteration on these ones. I'm just going to make it a little bit shorter, about 6 inches. These are actually really nice. Damn, I'm not sure if you guys can see that. It's like letters but shimmery. So pants are finished. These ones weren't too bad. I still kept the original hem at the bottom. Man, these jeans look really nice. Yo, Judge Tech, it was hilarious. But anyway, yeah, so next pair of pants, Levi's 511 jeans, light wash. I'm going to be making a little taper to this one and shortening the length with a raw hem at the bottom. Alright, the 511s are done. Raw hem finish, taper, looks good. On to the next pair. Alright, so next up we have these gray Nike sweatpants. Pause. And what I'm going to do for these ones is I'm going to put a taper on them and I'm going to reduce the length by 6 inches. Alright, pants are done. Took off 6 inches and tapered it. Alright, up next we have another pair of light wash denim jeans. Deja vu, I know. This time these ones are made by Calvin Klein and they're actually made in Canada too, so that's dope. This is selvage denim too, man. These ones, they just need a taper and a raw hem finish, so the same as the other pair. Another pair of finished. These ones look really nice. They look almost identical to the previous ones, but yeah, turned out really well. And finally, for today at least, we got these Champion tearaway pants. Pretty cool. The guy said he got them for $10. I like the thrift store, so that's a pretty good deal. I gotta just make these pants a little bit shorter and I gotta taper them too. And the pants are done. They look virtually identical to the way they were before. It looks like I didn't do anything to them, but they are shorter and they are tapered. And we are finished. Got the pants right here. We have 3 pairs of jeans, 2 sweats, and a cargo pant. So all in all, these pairs took me a little under 6 hours to do, which is kind of slow, not gonna lie. But I was filming it during the process and I was having a little bit of machine trouble, so I guess that's where the time discrepancy comes from. And with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed watching me sew some pants. It's a little bit of a different video this time, so I'd like to know what you guys think about it. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you liked it, leave a like. If you loved it, please subscribe, tell your friends, tell your mom. Next video I'll probably be making something new, a custom piece. I don't know, we'll see. Thanks, bye. Yo, I should have said let's sew. That would have been a lot better. Let's sew.